Ooh, that's looking pretty. Look what I got, y'all. I got me 2 packs of pork neck bones. It's about to be on. Check out how much I just paid for them. You know, they don't cost nothing. Y'all see that price? You know, when your friends ask, how much you pay for them neck bones? Oh, just $2 and something. We're gonna make this real simple. It's gonna be a long cook, but it's gonna be real simple to put together. This is something good to practice too, so you get in the spirit of barbecuing and learn how to long barbecue and not spend a whole lot of money. Let's get it seasoned up. So as my binder, I'm just gonna use a little avocado oil. You know, I used that before on some pork, and remember we did those little pork boneless rib tips, and they came out super tender. I was like, ooh, maybe it's something to that, you know. Or maybe, you know, I just had the cooking gods on my side that day. Or I just know what I'm doing, right? All right. Let's get ready to hit it with a little seasoning. We're gonna make it super simple. I just got a little Lorry, so we just gonna sprinkle. We ain't gonna like hit it like no rub, just a little sprinkle. Yeah, like that. Side 2, which would be the bone side with just a little meat. We got on some of them we got some sides. All right, that's it for the Lorry's portion. All right, flip it back over. And now we're gonna hit it with my favorite, hickory molasses from Kinder's. Use any rub you want. You know, I'm just hitting it like this because it's low sodium. So I had, you know, complete hand control over that Lorry's. And with this, we going heavy. And I don't think I need to go on the back side with this one. So I'm just gonna do it top side, like that. All right, so when you're cooking this right away, we gonna put it away in the refrigerator overnight. Get on up in the morning, hope it ain't too cold, and go ahead and barbecue this good old barbecue Southern soul meal. All right, I'll catch y'all in the morning. We rocking with a fresh bag of B&B today. That's about all we need for today. That's all we gotta do right there. What we going today on the wood? Let's do some, we're gonna do hickory. Smoky. Hurt your eyes. We got this baby up to 275. I'm gonna knock it down to 250 though. I'm gonna knock it down. Look at that, boy. Yeah. Going bone side down. Look good, don't it? Smoker full of neck bones. So let's give this baby 2 hours, and we're gonna be back to check on it. Finna go out cook my beans. We locked in. Y'all know the motto, low and slow. We're at 250 now. 2 hours in, it is time to see what they're looking like. And then we're gonna braise them. Ooh, that's looking pretty. Time to get them off now. And we're gonna braise them. All right, let's go ahead and braise these. Get you some beef broth, or you can make you up something with something as simple as like vinegar, a little citrus, some seasonings and stuff like that. So I just made up my own water and some oil, some olive oil or some butter. It's about to be a party. gonna put these on here about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Be super tender. Ooh, smoky. You know what? Put these on top of each other. All right, that's it. We'll be back. 90 minutes are up. All right. Ooh, smoking. All right. It's time to go eat. We've been waiting a long time. We done, baby. Yeah, babe. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, man. Man, it just melts in your mouth. Barry, look how that delicious meat. Man, I might not even need my sauces. That is so good. Man, this is hidden. We might be doing this all summer long and catch these. Y'all see how much they cost. Catch these on sale, serve these as appetizers, or as you see, I'm making a whole meal out of it, baby. I got my cornbread, I got my cranberry beans and rice. I'm about to throw down. Y'all saw how it was done. 3.5 hours total, 250 degrees, rocking all the way. Simple as that. 2 hours, unwrap, 1.5 hours, wrap. Simple as that. Y'all saw the steps. All right, check this out. I'm gonna catch y'all back on the next one. Look, oh man, look at that.
Tender.
Peace.